The next part or topic of discussion in the today's lecture video is vector integration. In vector calculus, as it is divided into two parts, one of them is vector differential calculus, another part is vector integral calculus. In vector differential calculus, we talk about the differential operator del, whose value is I del by del x plus j del by del y plus k del by del z, and when it is operated on a scalar quantity it gives rise to a gradient. Whenever it is operated on a vector quantity in the form of a dot product or a cross product, irrespectively we get divergence and curl. Now, the reverse process of differentiation as we study is integration, or we call it as antiderivative, right? So, whatever quantity or whatever function is differentiated, the resultant is called the answer of that particular function, right? So, in if we go the reverse, whatever answer obtained when integrated will give back you the original given function, and that is what we call it as a reverse process of derivative. So integration is nothing but the reverse process of the differentiation or the derivative. So in this case also, whenever I am talking about or I am defining about the integration, I will be discussing the function or the integrand as a vector function. Vector function means it is having magnitude as well as direction, or in simple language, the term which is involving I, j and k will be termed as or referred as vector point function. So let small f bar of t and capital F bar of t be two vector point functions of a scalar t. Here, small f bar and capital F bar are usually considered to be a function of scalar function, a scalar or a parameter which is usually denoted by small t. So, capital F bar of t and small f bar of t is nothing but function of scalar or a parameter t. So, f bar of t and capital F bar of t are functions of a scalar t. Df by dt is represented by small f. Derivative of capital F is nothing but small f. Then resultant जो भी है उसका integration. Then integration of small f bar with respect to t will give you the original function, that is capital F bar. So integration of small f bar of t is nothing but capital F bar. This process of finding F bar is called integration. Now, calculation of this capital F bar by means of small f bar after integrating, and this particular process or procedure is called as integration. The function f bar is called the integrand, and capital F bar is called the indefinite integral. In this case, whatever integration we are doing, it is not bounded now with the limits, and in that case that will be called as indefinite integral. Small f bar, which whatever is to be integrated, is termed as integrand. Now what are the applications, or what was the necessity to discuss or to define or to devise a mechanism for this? So in many practical problems like work done by the variable forces, evaluation of flow and flux integrals, etc., it is more convenient to express these integrals in the vector form. So major application for using or studying the vector integral is nothing but to calculate the work done or the evaluation of flux or flow of the integrals, because many times we see that it is convenient to express these integrals into the vector form. So in many practical problems in application or from application point of view, we will be usually trying to get the conversion of the given term into the vector form, and once it is done it becomes very simple for us to evaluate. So only integral what we are going to discuss over here is the line integral, and whose major application is to calculate the work done or the circulation over a given loop or a curve. So our intention is to learn the line integral and its further application related to the problems. What do we understand or what do we mean by the line integral? An integral to be evaluated over a given curve is called a line integral. So an integral which is evaluated over a given curve is called as line integral. Suppose you take any one point as A, which is called as initial point, the other point as B. The curve or the path joining the two different points, that is A as well as B, an integration taken over this particular path or the curve will be called as line integral. So an integral which is evaluated over this given curve is called a line integral. Either you call it as a path or you call it as a curve. So this particular value of integration will be evaluated by traversing the path from or connecting the points A as well as B. So this integral is nothing but the line integral. What are the different formulas which are associated with it? Line integral, how to read this? Line integral over curve C or line integral over path C. F bar dot dr bar is called line integral of f bar along the curve C. What it is called as or how it is represented as? Line integral over C, f bar dot dr bar is called a line integral of f bar along the curve C. So how it is represented by f bar dot dr bar? Now what is this f bar? This f bar is nothing but the vector function or the vector field. What is this dr bar? The dot product is to be taken of the vector function with the dr bar. What is this dr bar? Dr bar is nothing but the differential of the position vector. How is the position vector given by? Position vector is given by r is equal to xi plus yj plus zk. So this is particularly the position vector r bar given by xi plus yj plus zk. So line integral f bar will be given by f bar. Line integral over curve C will be given by f bar dot dr bar. This is the line integral of f bar. Dr bar कैसे निकालेंगे? From the position vector r bar, taking out the differential of it. So xi plus yj plus zk is the standard position vector. The dr bar will be the differential represented by dxi plus dyj plus dzk. So this is how the work done is to be calculated with the help of the line integral f bar dot dr bar. If f bar represents the velocity of a fluid and C is the closed curve, then line integral over C, f bar dot dr bar is the circulation of f bar round the curve C. This particular point is mentioned over here. If f bar represents the velocity of a fluid, then in that case it will be a closed curve and it represents the circulation of f bar round the curve C. If f bar represents the force acting on a particle moving along a curve C, then line integral over C, f bar dot dr bar is called the work done by f bar. The same integral, the same line integral f bar dot dr bar, when f bar is representing the force, it will be the work done. When it represents the velocity of a fluid, it is called as circulation of f bar round the curve C. So this is all regarding the line integral as well as the simplification in terms of work done or simplification in terms of the circulation, whatever it is required or whatever is asked as per the given data provided in the question. So mostly the examples related to the line integral will be associated with the calculation of the work done or the circulation. So one single path, whenever it is traversed from point A to point B, the region evaluated is nothing but the integration. So usually it is the dot product of the vector function f bar along with dr bar. Dr bar यानी क्या होता है? Differential of the position vector. So the very first example what we talk about is find the work done by the part variable force f bar is equal to 2yi plus xyj on a particle when it is displaced from the origin to the point r bar is equal to 4i plus 2j along the parabola y square is equal to x. We all are aware of the nature or the figure of the parabola, which is y square is equal to 4ax. So in this case, y square is equal to 4ax can be compared with y square is equal to x, which is a parabola along the x-axis. So here I draw the coordinate system x as well as y-axis, draw the curve. This represents the parabola y square is equal to x. Since the position vector r bar is always taken with reference to the origin and it is denoted in the form of xi plus yj, as here we are talking about the figure in the xy plane, z variable or the component is absent, so I will be taking only the coordinate as xy. So the position vector r bar is always taken with reference to the origin. So this r bar is a position vector which is given in the form of xi plus yj. That means this 4i plus 2j can be compared with xy and I get the coordinate as 4 comma 2. So this particular coordinate 4 comma 2 by which the curve passes or through which the curve passes will lie in the first quadrant, as both the points are positive or both the coordinates are positive. So in the xy plane, whenever a parabola is drawn, a point is obtained where it is called as point of intersection or the curve passes through that point. So it is identified as 4 comma 2. X coordinate is 4, y coordinate is 2. यहाँ पर work done is to be evaluated. I know work done will be given by f bar dot dr bar. Now f is involving a function of variables x and y. Dr bar will also be the function involving x and y, but integration is to be done over one variable. I do not have the provision for integrating it over two different variables simultaneously, so I will be looking at the convenience. If it is possible for me to convert it into the one variable, the whole integrand will be converted to one variable and then integrated between the given point so that we get the result. So यहाँ पर they are taking with the equation x is equal to y square, that is y square is equal to x. Differentiation of it, dx will be 2y dy. R bar is a position vector xi plus yj. Dr bar is dxi plus dyj. So we have f bar as 2yi plus xyj. What will be f bar dot dr bar? Taking the dot product of the two, I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1. So it will be 2y dx plus xy dy. Right? So replace the value of x by y square. I am trying to convert everything in the form of y. So wherever you have x, put it as y square. Wherever you have dx, you put the value of dx. So completely it is transformed into y. So f bar dot dr bar, I am getting the integrand as y cube plus 4y square dy. But what are the limits of y? Y is moving from point 0 to 2. Y coordinate over here is 2. So that integration will be done between 0 to 2. So what is work done? Work done is integral over curve C f bar dot dr bar. So f bar dot dr bar I have obtained completely in the form of y. So it is y cube plus 4y square dy, and it is to be integrated between the point 0 to 2. As I have seen, the coordinate of y is for 0 to 2. So integration of this particular y between 0 to 2, the work done is obtained as 44 by 3. So the complete answer or the final value comes out to be 44 by 3. So in this manner, whenever we have to calculate the work done, we try to convert it into the variable, single variable, so that the integration is possible, and depending on the given points or the coordinates, we determine the region of integration and integrate it between the given points. Now, sometimes it may be expressed in the form of a scalar or a parameter t. So, position vector has to be first expressed in the form of a parameter, and then correspondingly the requisite derivatives are to be calculated. So, that is also one of the option wherein we can simplify and get the answer. Right? So, that is how we will be doing it in the proper way and getting down the simplification for it. Right? So in the next example, wherein we are calculating the given term as evaluate The next example says that evaluate integral f bar dot dr bar from point A 0, 0, 0 to point B 1, 1, 1 along the curve r bar is equal to t into I plus t square into j plus t cube into k, given f bar is equal to xy I minus z square j plus xyz k. Now here if you see, r bar is given to you in the form of parameter t, so I have to convert x, y, z in terms of parameter t, and which is moving from the point 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. We have r bar as xi plus yj plus zk, comparing it with ti plus t square j plus t cube k. I am getting value of x as t, value of y as t square, value of z as t cube. Dr bar will be dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Take the derivative of t. Derivative of t is 1. Derivative of t square is 2t. Derivative of t cube is 3t square. So dr will be I plus 2tj plus 3t square k. Now, since it is moving from the point A 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1, t will be equal to 0 and t will be equal to 1. So, t is moving between the point 0 to 1. F bar is expressed as xyi minus z square j plus xyz k. Put x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, z is equal to t cube. So, f bar is t cube I minus t to the power 6j plus t to the power 6k. So f bar dot dr bar will now be completely expressed in the form of t, and integration will be done between t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 1. So take the dot product of f bar with dr bar, whatever we have calculated, that will be expressed in the form of t. I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. This complete expression in the form of t, integrate, put the limit 0 to 1, we get the answer as integral f bar dot dr bar as 1 by 3. So integration to be done with respect to t, as it the position vector was expressed in the parameter or a scalar quantity t. So this is another way for calculating the work done for the given uh, vector point function along the point A 0, 0, 0 to B 1, 1, 1. I hope this much portion is clear to everybody. That is all regarding the work done, how we